Here we are, Jane up the grove and Cooper up the grove. And Jane's going to show off some of Cooper's tricks.
Sit. Oh, come here. Sit. Good boy. Cooper, lay down. Lay down. Good boy.
Sorry.
Okay, Cooper. Roll over. Good boy. Okay, Cooper. Stand up. Sit. Shake. Shake. Good boy. Now next, Cooper is going to dance with me. Cooper, come here. Come here, Cooper. Good boy. And let's see if Cooper can give me some kisses. Okay, Cooper, kisses. Cooper, come here.
Oh.
Good boy, Cooper. And then we have our very famous trick called Army Crawl. We have been practicing this one for a while. Okay, Cooper. Come here, lay down. Lay down. Cooper, come on. No, lay down. Good boy. Army Crawl, Cooper. Come on. Cooper, come on. No. Lay down. You're doing it. Come on, Cooper. Let's try that again. Cooper, come here.
We can do it.
Lay down. Okay, ready, Cooper? Army Crawl. Come on, Cooper. Good
Oh, good boy.
He did it. I knew you could. You get one more for being a good boy. And that is all. It was October 24th, 2009. Me and Cooper.
Good job.
We needed the
Good boy,
break.
Cooper.
We did that.
Yay.
Cooper.